If you are a local marketer, agency, or interested in becoming one, or maybe you felt the pain of not having enough quality prospects, or maybe you are scared of being rejected by business owners who seem too busy, we've got something special for you today. Introducing SmatLeads, the all-in-one cutting-edge technology that helps you find pre-qualified leads, contact and close them better and faster in just 3 easy steps. Simply enter a keyword, enter a location, and SmatLeads will find leads from 3 powerful data sources: Google Places, Bing Places, and LinkedIn, that match your criteria. Then it will visit each business to get more information such as contact info, social profile, and technology data. Find out which businesses have unclaimed Google Business Profile pages. See if the business is running Facebook and Google Ads. Find out if the business needs SEO assistance. See if the business is mobile friendly. See if the business is leveraging video marketing. See if the business website is accessible. Find out if the business is optimized. Add your targeted leads to a custom list that can be exported to your CRM or email them directly from within SmatLeads. With our prep-ready and customizable business optimization, SEO, and website audit reports, you stand out from the crowd and close more deals better and faster. Our Marvis AI assistant ensures that you are never caught staring on the screen struggling to write emails or other forms of contents. Chat with it and get amazing content written for you in seconds. Kiss goodbye to struggling to get more leads and enter the world of endless possibilities. Discover, nurture, and close more leads better and faster today with SmatLead. Click the button below to get SmatLeads today.